Since its launch, the Holland Tool Management System, or IH-TMS for short, has taken off with installations around the world from top industry leaders. The system provides proactive monitoring of tablet compression tooling. It accommodates your current practices and offers ways to enhance them with the guidelines of the globally adopted Pharmacare 7-step process. Since tableting is a global business, IH-TMS is available in a variety of languages, with different characters and with text that reads from left to right as well as right to left. Simply put, IH-TMS allows for unparalleled tool management and provides proactive monitoring of tooling inventory and maintenance. The benefits of this mean that you comply with audit and legislation, keep detailed records of tablet compression tooling movements with detailed reporting, preempt maintenance procedures, and tying this all together, have management and control over the whole tool life. One of our favourite features includes the set summary page. This page quickly covers all of the information you might need when you want to use your set. From here, we can also pull up drawings associated with the set. Another favourite feature is all of the reporting capabilities. These can cover anything from tool history to details on maintenance actions to production campaign reports. The match working length report is one we always highly recommend. This report best matches an upper and lower tool together based on their working length variations. Overall, IH-TMS is an all-encompassing management system for all of your tablet compression needs. Are you interested in learning more? Why not try your free demo? Simply visit www.tabletingscience.com or email info@iholland.co.uk.